Hey there, science enthusiasts! Today, let's take a journey back in time to explore 5 incredible discoveries from ancient India that were way ahead of their time. Ready to have your mind blown? Let's dive in. First up, we've got Aryabhata. Over 1,500 years ago, Aryabhata, one of India's greatest mathematicians and astronomers, proposed that the Earth rotates on its axis. That's right. While the rest of the world was still figuring out the basics of astronomy, Aryabhata had already cracked the code. His work, the Aryabhatiya, remains a testament to his genius. Imagine understanding planetary motion so precisely back then. Next, let's talk about Baudhayana. You may have heard of the Pythagorean Theorem, but did you know that Baudhayana described it centuries before Pythagoras? This ancient mathematician laid down the principles of geometry on palm leaf manuscripts, which were essential for Vedic rituals. His work in the Sulba Sutras includes a detailed explanation of what we now call the Pythagorean Theorem. Talk about being ahead of his time. Moving on to Kanada. This ancient sage introduced atomic theory in the 6th century BCE through his Vaisheshika philosophy. According to Kanada, everything is composed of atoms, which he called Anu. His insights were revolutionary, envisioning the basic building blocks of matter long before modern science caught up. Imagine conceptualizing atoms without any modern instruments. Now, let's delve into the world of medicine with Sushruta. Known as the father of surgery, Sushruta's Sushruta Samhita is a comprehensive text on surgery and medicine. It includes detailed descriptions of surgical procedures, including plastic surgery. Ancient surgical tools and methods described in his work were incredibly advanced for their time. Sushruta's contributions laid the foundations for many modern medical practices. Finally, let's talk about Varahamihira. Varahamihira was a brilliant polymath who made significant contributions to astrology and weather prediction. Using a combination of astrology and mathematics, he could predict weather patterns and eclipses with remarkable accuracy. His work, the Brihat Samhita, covers various subjects, from astronomy to meteorology. Varahamihira's insights were crucial for agricultural planning and understanding natural phenomena. And there you have it, 5 ancient Indian discoveries that changed the world and showcased incredible scientific foresight. India's scientific roots go much deeper than most of us realize. If you enjoyed this journey into ancient wisdom, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the history of science. Thanks for watching.